What's up, guys? PyPop 101 here, and welcome to part 4 of the Cheat Engine hacking tutorial series. Today, we are going to be hacking our very first web-based game. We're doing Potty Racers 2, if any of you remember that, or remember the website Addicting Games. If you do, good for you, because it's been a while. But, just like the others, it's very easy. Let's just start the game up real quick. And let's get to where we have 0 money. Now what we need to do is link it up, of course. So we select the process and we go to processes. The only thing that's difficult though is the fact that it is in Chrome and there are so many different Chromes to choose from. How do we know which one to choose? So what we do is we click on it, we go Shift and Escape, and it will show you in the task manager all of the tabs, everything that's open. So right now we have Potty Racers 2. What we need to look at is 5372, the process ID. So I will link this in the description, but we need to pull out our decimal to hex converter. And all we need to do is type in 5372, decimal, and convert. 14FC. So if we go to Cheat Engine, we select the process 14FC right here. Now this corresponds to this website right here. So we open it up or double click it, set the value type to all, do the first scan at 0 because the money is 0, and we have almost 140 million. It's crazy. We need to decrease that. So what we do is we play the game real quick. After playing the game, collecting a little bit of money, it's 512. So what we do is type in 512, next scan, there's 48. So almost 140 million to 48 is a great jump. Let's buy this. Our money is now 162. Next scan, and it is at 1. Alright, so let's double click this. So PR2, Potty Racers 2, money. We have our address right there, so let's double click the value. And let's change this to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enter, and look at that. Our money changes instantly. To see if this actually works, oh, look at that. We can buy everything. And just for the fun of it, and there you go. So that is it for this tutorial, guys. If you like this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It helps out the channel a ton and I greatly appreciate it. If you haven't already, there is a link below to my Discord server where you can learn how to make mods for Blade and Sorcery, get help for tutorials like this, and just have a good time with the community overall. But with that, thank you for watching.